exactly what's up there, so we can just take it and throw it away.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, my mom's like really bad at that.
He actually loves throwing stuff away. But hey yo, we want to say hello to everybody joining the live. How y'all doing?
No. Yeah. Good
Appreciate
to have
y'all.
you. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, so right about now, or in a little bit here.
Yeah.
So he has like this really dope method on how to like cheat and make jerk chicken to make it look like you've been cooking it all day. So we're gonna drop that tip in a little bit here. But yeah, we just wanted to go ahead and let y'all know what was going on with the whole what is this? The update of the remodel?
It's not so much of a remodel, it's more like a reshuffle. But we're gonna be spending a lot of time in this one because we spend a lot of time in the kitchen, I think.
Yeah.
So we're gonna, and it's a very small kitchen, but now it looks so much more functional.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can find something weird to put in it. Don't know if you've had that experience, but that is our experience. There's always something stashed away in it. So we decided that we're gonna have
Oh, I don't know what that is. What, we got invited to co-host? What, somebody's ghost going live? I don't. This is our first live, so they're with us.
so we decided that we were
Somebody
gonna
tell us
have,
in the comment, Wagwan.
we're gonna have little or no cupboards. What was that? What was that message?
It looks like somebody is inviting us to co-host. Okay. Somebody let us know in the comments. What is that? But yeah, so we kind of like the open design of these cupboards, like, you know, right. So they make a little bit more sense. Yeah, man. And it keeps it a little bit more organized.
Right, so it forced them to basically just keep everything quiet. So what happened is, so we tricked them into, instead of having like cupboards on the wall, we just have like corner shelves. So if there's anything up there, we